You got an immigration question? I'm going to give you my best answer. Give us a call now, 1-800-529-5465. Let's go to Stella in Fort Lauderdale, Florida. Stella.
Hello, how are you?
Hi, how are you?
All right. A few questions here. Back in 2012, my mother applied to adjust my status.
Mm-hmm.
It was approved a year later. Unfortunately, there weren't any visas available. A few years down the line, I got married in 2017. Did not end well. Ended up filing for VAWA in 2019. Is there any way for me, as the case for 2012 is still open, is there any way for me to pay those filing fees and just continue with the approval that I got on my mum's on my mum's case?
Well, I don't think you filed an adjustment. You filed an I-130, and there was a waiting list for green cards.
Right.
So you have some fee bills from the National Visa Center if they didn't cancel.
Yes,
if they didn't cancel it,
the 6th
right? They didn't cancel it.
Month.
The answer is yes, except this is for you. I hear a British accent for you to go back to the UK. And you have a 10-year bar, so you would need to do a provisional waiver. Doing the VAWA, adjust your status here. So as long as you have a strong VAWA case, I would continue with the VAWA. If you don't have a strong VAWA case, then pay the fee bills, withdraw your VAWA at some point, and do a provisional waiver, which takes 18 months to do. Then you would have to go home and come back. So, I mean, I don't know what, it all comes down to what's the deal with the VAWA.
Yeah, because right now there are, and I don't know why, but I'm hearing from a lot of other VAWA people that USCIS is asking for RFEs. A lot of people are saying that they're getting them.
They ask for RFEs for everybody for years and years and years. So, but if you were in a bona fide marriage with your spouse, and you're a person of good moral character, and he physically abused you, or you had extreme emotional abuse, which is habitual emotional abuse on a habitual regular basis, you prove it. We win cases all the time.
So psychological exam too.
Yeah. So I mean, we win cases all the time. So you prove the truth. But if you in the back of your mind, you're like, well, it wasn't really, it's kind of iffy. Well, then, you got to start thinking about another way.
Yeah, I just wasn't sure because I'm like, all right, you're asking for items that we've already sent up, but they're asking for them again. So I wasn't sure if that was like a normal thing.
The National Visa Center has no idea that you filed a VAWA.
Oh, I see. All right. Thank you so much for your time, and happy Father's Day for Sunday.
Thank you very much.
Bye-bye.
Good luck. All right. Let's go to Anna Kay in Boston.
Hello.
Hi, how are you?
I'm good, thank you. How are you?
Good. What's going on?
Thank you so much for what you're doing, Brad.
My pleasure.
I have two questions. So back in 2010, my friend's husband was arrested for promoting prostitution. He pled guilty to promoting prostitution and aggravated assault.
Okay.
He's under the Adam Walsh Act for immigration.
Oh wow! So the accusation was he was promoting prostitution of children under 18.
No, so he approached a 17-year-old to work for him.
Right.
However, she did not work for him. Like they were all arrested before she was able to do anything. So the trafficking of sexual servitude charge was dismissed. He only pled guilty to promoting prostitution and aggravated assault. He was, however, required to register as a sex offender. It's been September coming. It's going to be 2 years since my friend and the husband has been married. Last November.
Not every sex offender falls under the Adam Walsh Act. So this could be an exception. I don't know for a fact. I would need to see exactly what he pled guilty to, because a lot of times, as soon as USCIS says sex offender, they stamp Adam Walsh Act, and then it takes years and years and years. So sometimes it's good to just argue. I don't, even though I'm on the sex offender registry list, I don't fall under Adam Walsh. I never, abused a child. At least, maybe that's the case. I don't know based on what you told me.
Well, the basically saying that because he approached a 17-year-old.
I understand what you're saying to me. What I'm saying to you is it is not 100%. You're on the child sex registry list, 100% Adam Walsh waiver. There are certain people who still have to register on the child sex registry list that are not necessarily require an Adam Walsh waiver. That's what I'm saying to you. It's very technical.
Okay.
So maybe they should be speaking to a lawyer who understands those technicalities. Hold on one second. Thanks for watching. For more Bradshaw Live, like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.